In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show storage capacity in Yahoo Mail on your computer. Understanding your storage usage can help you manage your emails more efficiently and avoid running out of space unexpectedly. Let's dive right in and make sure you're always in control of your inbox storage. First, you'll need to log in to your Yahoo Mail account. This is a straightforward step, but if you're not already logged in, head over to the Yahoo Mail website, enter your email address and password and click the sign in button. If you have any issues signing in, make sure to check that your credentials are correct. Occasionally, you might need to verify your account with an additional security step, such as a code sent to your phone or email. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Yahoo Mail homepage, where you can view all your emails. Next up, you'll want to click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to customizing Yahoo Mail settings to better suit your needs. The gear icon can sometimes blend in with the other icons, so take a moment to locate it carefully. It's key to accessing more personalized settings, and you'll use this icon for various tasks over time. Once you click on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select More Settings. This option is crucial because it expands your settings capabilities, offering more detailed options beyond the basic settings found in the initial menu. Clicking More Settings redirects you to a new overview page where you can manage everything from your inbox layout to your email filters. On the left sidebar of the More Settings page, you'll find a series of options. Scroll down until you see the section dedicated to storage. This sidebar is designed to organize your settings options, making it easier to navigate through various categories and find exactly what you're looking for. Once you spot the storage section, click or hover over it and you'll be able to see comprehensive details about your storage capacity. In this storage section, you'll be delighted to find information about your current storage usage. It will display how much space you've already used and how much remains available. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of your email storage and ensuring you don't accidentally hit your limit, which could result in missing important emails. Monitoring this regularly helps maintain a healthy inbox, ensuring no storage related surprises down the line. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to check your Yahoo Mail storage capacity. Keeping an eye on your usage can save you from potential headaches and keep your email account running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.